Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Driven by Detailers. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about a very special type of spray detailer. It's our Instant Hero Spray Detailer. Formulated for the professional, but easy enough for the weekend warrior to use, this blend of proprietary reactive polymers and SiO2 creates super hydrophobics and durability. You'll look like an instant hero with your customers when putting it on their car. It's so easy to use. Let's get started. Tools you'll need: a dry, clean car, Instant Hero Spray Detailer, a trigger sprayer, and a microfiber cloth of your choice. First, you're going to thoroughly wash the surface. Then, spray Instant Hero directly onto the dried surface. Wipe with a clean, dry microfiber towel. Then turn that towel to the dry side and buff to a radiant finish. These products' molecules attach to the painted surface of the vehicle, cross-links and polymerizes on the surface, which helps to build a hydrophobic, durable layer of protection. So, as you can see, it was just that easy using our Instant Hero Spray Detailer. For more information, contact us. We'll see you on the next episode.